Hey everyone, it's Cathy Zielske. Welcome back to my channel and my studio. Today's card, not one you're going to mass produce, but boy, does it make a statement. To see this come together, stick around. It's coming up next. Here's a look at the two die sets I'm going to be using today, and this is the Autumn Inlay. The thing that's kind of fun about this, I'm going to do a bunch of die cutting off camera, and then I'm going to have all these pieces to use for multiple cards. I'm only going to make one, but you can design all this beautiful fall vibe with different cardstock colors and then all these little veiny leaf inlays. And I've been wanting to try this since it came out, and I've been seeing cards. Then the More to Say dies. This is a really all-purpose, thank you so much, you're so very kind and grateful, word and shadow layers, and those are a really solid basic to have in any collection. So I'm going to cut, and when I return, many pieces will be waiting for you. I went ahead and put my black panel on because I want to show you when you take this all off, and I did tape mine to the panel just so that it wouldn't slip. We're going to glue this down onto our note card and then start paper piecing. So let me get my note card prepped and we can speed it up and start adding things. Then I will cut out the veining, and that's going to be from matte gold. I am going to show you a little trick though, because what we're going to do is we're going to cover the card front with adhesive, pop this down, make sure it's straight on one side, and then everything else can be filled in and the excess can be trimmed. So it's just going to save us a lot of gluing time. Hope I don't run out here. I'm a little low. This always happens. But we're going to go tape runner. Tape runner. Please don't run out. I do have more. Tape runner and tape runner. Now, rather than glue, I'm just going to do bands, and that way it should hit most of the places that I have to add things in, and this will stay sticky for a while. So also I did a book fold card today because I was feeling crazy. Okay, put you in here, right there, and then all we have to do is, let's see here, a little awkward, but I'm going to press this into the corner, press this into the corner and top, like that. Get all the way up. Come on now, Kath. There we go. Now, there's quite a bit exposed. Am I lined up here too? Yeah, not completely. Let's see if I can do that better. Come on. Come on, Cathy. Right there, and right. There we go. All right, now this is mostly in place where we need it to be, and I am going to speed this up and place in our pieces. So I only am missing a couple little pieces that I cut and must have put to the side. So let me get those added, and then I'm going to just trim to clean this up and add the greeting. Alrighty, And that piece goes right there. And let's flip you over the right way. You have a 50-50 chance of making that work. Which way? No, yep, like that. And one more tiny little piece. So you can go back and get whatever you need if you do what I just did. And now I just have one more little piece. Does it have a poke hole? It does. And I will poke that out. There we go. I have the last piece right in there. So this is really a paper piecer's puzzle dream, right? It's so crazy. Okay, and I'm going to press that in. And now I have all of my pieces inlaid. I went ahead and cut So Grateful out of the same matte gold, glued one layer of black to it to give it a little dimension, and then did 2 shadow layers in black. And I'm actually thinking about going at a diagonal because then you get to see all of the beautiful leaves. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll take these off, and I used thin black foam squares just so they don't show up at all. Not that they would, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do that. And let's get this clipped on. I'm going to do just a little liquid glue so that I have a tiny bit of float time while I'm placing this down. And that way, like I said, you get to see all of the leaves, and I think the angle is kind of cute. That and that. And that, my friends, is my most paper-pieced, most involved card project, perhaps of all time. I don't think anyone would mass produce this, but this card, it makes a statement. All right, no, it's not quite done. Because I feel like if there are a few little shiny things, this could really add something special. I mean, it's already a pretty special card. That, maybe to cover up that. No, that looks, no, that's not bad. We don't want to do little tinies all over. We want to have a few different sizes here and there.
5 minutes later.
I've stripped it down. I'm just going to put a few. You know, I could cover the whole card, but then it's going to be overkill. And when I'm looking around and asking myself, did you say when yet? And you didn't? Boop. That's the time. So 5 little sequins, boop, framing out the greeting, boop, in and around, boop, and boop. And that is the finished card project. Again, possibly the most involved paper piece that I've done. But like I said, this thing will impress. You can find links to all of the products I used in today's video in the YouTube description box. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you, so please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I post. Leave a comment, give me a like, and I will see you back here with another video soon. To see more paper piecing card projects, check out the 2 thumbnails I have linked below, and I'll see you in those videos.